So something that I really enjoy about the company right now is we just unlocked our rewards program for agents. And what that means is agents get incentivized, basically paid to do work. Anything from social media posts, different ways of advertising yourself and the company, and you get incentivized for it. This is a little game that we like to play, and honestly, it helps everyone grow. It helps everyone become better in their own expertise, and also you gain so much more information in how to be you. So yeah, if you're thinking about joining the team, please reach out to us agents that are already here, and we'll sure answer any questions you guys have, and we're here to help.